Hey guys, I'm excited to demonstrate the Kuhn Rikon can opener for you all today, and I want to quickly preface this by saying I've only used it about a handful of times, so that'll give you kind of an idea if you are still trying to figure it out, how it'll go for you. I've kind of figured it out here, so you just go ahead and start by taking this bad boy and sticking it on, and then it should clip on just as soon as you start twisting this. You should be good. And now it is currently cutting. You can't really tell that it is. It does it kind of invisibly, which is overall nice. And then I think we get back around to the front, and there we go. I just felt the little click, so it's finished. Now I kind of push backwards, and then it comes off. Now the part that I had a little bit of a hard time with at first, so we've got this guy here, and we press this to open and close it. So we're just gonna come here and make sure you got a nice firm grip. Now it'll close, and now we lift up the tuna can, and voila, we got tuna. Perfect. So as you can see, it's not super difficult. It works for pretty much all cans, and this is just a good old standard tuna can here. Works very well. You also don't have to clean it since it just goes right around the rim. Overall, very easy to use. Definitely my favorite can opener that I have ever had. It does take a little bit of a learning curve at first just to get a feel for it, but once you do, this is an excellent can opener to have, and I would highly recommend it.